Transforming discarded branches into stunning home decor is an innovative approach that turns overlooked natural materials into unique, high-value pieces. Branches, often regarded as mere yard waste, possess an inherent beauty and potential that can be harnessed through thoughtful design and craftsmanship. The journey of repurposing starts with sourcing these branches, whether from fallen trees in a local park, pruned limbs from your garden, or even construction sites that discard wood remnants. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Menu. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you the collection of from fallen branches to designer decor design ideas, innovative natural wood creations. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The key lies in selecting branches that exhibit interesting shapes, grain patterns and textures, as these features will define the character of your final product. Once you've gathered your materials, the process of creation can commence, revealing innovative designs that are both aesthetically pleasing and functional. A sculptural floor lamp stands out as a prime example of how repurposed branches can be transformed into remarkable decor. To create this piece, start by selecting a sturdy branch that can serve as the lamp's base, ideally one that has a natural curvature to add visual interest. After cleaning the branch to remove any bark, dirt, or debris, it's essential to ensure the branch can support the weight of the lamp design. A solid, thicker base will provide stability. The next step involves careful planning of the lamp's height and placement of the light fixture. To provide illumination, a simple lamp socket can be installed at the top of the branch, and a light bulb holder can be added, emphasizing the branch's natural contours. The wiring of the lamp should be discreetly routed down the branch, ensuring that the aesthetics are not compromised. This can be achieved by creating small grooves in the branch through which the wiring can be hidden. A touch of creative flair can be added by wrapping the base of the branch with natural jute or twine, complementing the organic feel of the design. For an additional layer of character, consider attaching elements like pine cones, dried flowers, or moss to the lamp base or along the branch, creating an enchanting woodland atmosphere. This sculptural piece not only provides light, but also serves as a conversation starter, reflecting the beauty of nature in your contemporary home setting. Another innovative project is creating a minimalist wall hanging, which highlights the elegance of natural materials. Begin by selecting several thinner branches with varying lengths, allowing for a visually dynamic arrangement. The idea is to construct an abstract design that captures the eye without overwhelming the space. Start by laying the branches in a pattern that you find visually pleasing. This may involve overlapping or arranging them in a linear fashion. Once you achieve a design that resonates with you, secure the branches together using natural twine or a strong adhesive, ensuring that the final structure maintains stability. For added depth, consider incorporating elements like air plants or moss, which can be artistically draped or attached to the branches using fishing line or additional twine. Adding these living elements introduces a touch of greenery and breathes life into the piece without detracting from its minimalist aesthetic. As you mount your wall hanging, take care to choose an appropriate location that complements your home's decor, allowing the art to shine and create an inviting atmosphere. The beauty of this wall hanging lies not only in its design, but also in the story it tells, transforming what might have been discarded into a statement piece that resonates with eco-consciousness and creativity. The emphasis on innovative, often sellable designs enhances the appeal of such projects. In a marketplace increasingly driven by sustainability and unique artistry, creating decor from repurposed branches taps into a niche that attracts environmentally mindful consumers. These pieces often tell a multi-layered story about the materials and the craft involved, making them more desirable than mass-produced alternatives. Artisans and designers can showcase their work through various platforms, emphasizing their commitment to sustainability while presenting the artistry of repurposed materials. For those interested in turning their passions into a business, developing a range of products that utilize branches can lead to a profitable endeavor. Understanding the specific techniques involved in crafting these items is essential for success. When making a sculptural floor lamp, attention to detail during the assembly process is critical. Each connection between branches must be secure, ensuring safety and longevity. The addition of finishes, such as natural oils or wood varnish, not only preserves the wood but enhances its grain, highlighting the natural beauty of the material. This aspect of craftsmanship is vital, as consumers often seek pieces that are not merely decorative, but also durable and functional. We'd love to know, are you enjoying today's content? Your support and engagement means so much to us and help shape the creative direction of Decor Menu. Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments, and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. Additionally, proper photography and marketing strategies can significantly enhance visibility and appeal. Capturing the essence of a piece through high-quality images, particularly in natural light, can evoke emotion and interest from potential buyers. Showcasing the lamp or wall hanging in a styled environment can help customers envision how these pieces would fit into their own homes. Social media platforms can serve as powerful tools to connect with a community that appreciates craftsmanship and sustainable design, leading to increased engagement and sales opportunities. Moreover, the appeal of repurposed designs lies in their unique qualities. Each branch tells its own story, showcasing its journey through the elements and time. Emphasizing these narratives in your descriptions can create a deeper connection between the artisan and the consumer. For instance, sharing insights about where the branch was sourced or the processes involved in its transformation can amplify its perceived value. It can also invoke a sense of nostalgia and appreciation for nature, tapping into a growing consumer desire for authenticity in home decor. As the market for sustainable home decor continues to grow, the potential for profit becomes increasingly promising. Crafting innovative designs from discarded branches allows artisans to differentiate themselves through originality while making a positive environmental impact. By innovatively repurposing these materials, creators can cultivate a loyal customer base that values sustainability and artistry, ultimately supporting their crafting endeavors financially. Encouraging engagement with local communities can also enhance the success of these projects. Workshops focused on repurposing branches can not only serve as an additional revenue stream, but also foster a sense of camaraderie among craft enthusiasts. Educating others about the potential of discarded materials can inspire new artists and expand the movement towards sustainable home decor. Additionally, collaborating with local businesses, such as florists who may provide plants for your wall hangings or home decor boutiques that might stock your lamps, can further establish your place in the market while promoting community spirit. Repurposing discarded branches into innovative home decor offers a wealth of creative and commercial possibilities. By embracing natural materials and transforming them into stunning pieces, artisans can craft decor that resonates with narratives and artistic intent. The sculptural floor lamp and minimalist wall hanging serve as prime examples of how these materials can be celebrated, forging a connection between nature, art, and sustainability. As you explore the transformative power of crafting with repurposed branches, consider not only the artistic journey, but also the broader impact your creations can have on consumers, communities, and the environment. This approach not only showcases individual creativity, but also inspires a collective movement toward valuing the beauty in every discarded piece of wood, demonstrating that even the simplest materials can become something extraordinary with a touch of imagination and a commitment to craftsmanship. The potential for success lies not only in the pieces themselves, but also in the stories they tell and the relationships they foster, revealing that in the world of design, innovation can flourish through respect for nature and sustainability. Well, dear viewers, there you have them, our handpicked from fallen branches to designer decor design ideas, innovative natural wood creations. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.